Today, we're going to learn how to create this easy crochet granny triangle. The materials for this pattern, I am using a 5mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn, but you can use any weight yarn and its recommended hook size. You can also follow along to the free written pattern. That's going to be linked down below. And if you want to learn how to make money with crochet, you're going to want to sign up for the Crochet Influencer Academy. I teach you how to turn your hobby into a career, and that's going to be linked down in the description box below. Alright guys, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you're always up to date on all of my patterns. Okay, let's hop directly into this tutorial. To begin, we're going to start with a magic ring. If you can't make a magic ring, just chain 4 and slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 is going to count as a double crochet throughout our pattern. Now, let's place 2 double crochets into the ring. 1, another one, and 2. Chain 1. Now, we're going to place 3 double crochet, chain 1 into the ring 2 times. I'll write it up above. So 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1. One more time, 3 double crochet and a chain 1. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Pull that center tail to close off. Now we're going to slip stitch to join into that very first, the top of your chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Let's slip stitch there. And for this, you can fasten off your work. At the end of round number 1, you should have a total of 3 double crochet clusters and 3 chain 1 spaces. Now we're going to add our secondary color, which is going to be my silver. We're going to attach this to any chain 1 space. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's a chain 1 space. Whoops, you can't see. So attach to any chain 1 space. Alright, to start round number 2, we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now place 2 more double crochets into this chain 1 space. 1, 2, chain 1. Now place 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to do a pattern repeat 2 times. I write it above. We're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. I'll work it with you. So here's the next chain 1 space. We're going to skip those 3 double crochet and do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 more into the same chain 1 space. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to repeat that one more time. So 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. So we're going to skip those 3 and go into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, and and 3, chain 1, 3 more double crochet into that chain 1 space. 1, 2, and 3. All right, now we made it around. We're going to slip stitch the join into the top of the chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and let's slip stitch the join to finish off this round. And once again, we're going to fasten off our work for this round. At the end of round 2, you should have a total of 6 double crochet clusters and 3 chain 1 spaces, and you can see it's starting to look like a little triangle. To start round number 3, then we're going to change our colors again, and once again, we're going to attach our yarn to any chain 1 space. Alright, once again, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to place 2 more double crochets into the chain 1 space. 1, 2, chain 1. Place 3 double crochets into the same chain 1 space. My yarn is splitty, sorry about that. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so now we're going to place 3 double crochet in the space between the groups of 3 double crochets. We'll just call them clusters. So here's the space. This is not a chain 1 space. It's just a regular space between 3 double crochets. So now we're just going to place 3 more double crochets into that space. I hope I didn't make that sound too confusing. So next space, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. We're only placing 3 here because this is the side of our triangle. The chain 1 space is the corner of our triangle. So now we're going to start a pattern repeat. We're going to place 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space, followed by 3 double crochet in between the next clusters. All right, I'll work it with you, don't worry. So 3 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 more into the same chain 1 space. 1, 2, and 3. Now into the next space between the clusters, we're going to just place 3 double crochet because this is the side of our work. That is 2 and 3. Now we're going to do that pattern repeat again. 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the chain 1 space, followed by 3 double crochet into the next space. I'll work it with you. I'm going to be moving a little bit faster, but you can always slow down this video. So remember, 3 double crochet into here. That was 1, 2, and 3. This is why I like to write the patterns up above. So if I'm moving too fast, you can always follow along to the written pattern, and it helps you learn how to read patterns if you don't know how to do that. All right, this is my 3rd double crochet. So now we're going to place 3 double crochets into this next space, which is the side. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to slip stitch the join into the top of your chain 3. A little snug. And you can fasten off your work. At the end of round number 3, you should have a total of 9 clusters and 3 chain 1 spaces. To start round number 4, we're going to attach the yarn to any chain 1 space. And like before, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochets back into this chain 1 space, 1, 2, chain 1, 3 double crochets back into this chain 1 space, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to place 3 double crochets in each space between your clusters until we make it to your corner. So I'll work it with you. 3 double crochets in each of your side spaces. 1, 2, 3, next space, 1, 2, 3. We made it to the chain 1 space, which is the corner of your triangle. Now begins our pattern repeat, and we're going to repeat this 2 times. So we're going to place 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space, followed by 3 double crochet into each one of your side clusters until you make it into your chain 1 space again. I hope I said that correctly. I'll say it one more time. We are going to 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space, followed by 3 double crochets between each cluster on the side. That sounds better. So I'll work that first time with you. 3 double crochet, 1. Like I said, I'm moving faster. You can always slow down this video or follow along to the written pattern written above. That is 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet again. And this is 3. We made another corner. Now we made it to the side. We're going to place 3 double crochet into each one of your side spaces. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. All right, we've made it to the last corner. I'm going to pause the video here and let you complete this last corner on your own. I'll write the pattern above. So pause your video here and continue with that pattern repeat one more time. We've made it to the end of round number 4. And we're going to slip stitch the join into the top of the chain 3. And then you can fasten off your work. At the end of round number 4, you should have a total of 12 DC clusters and 3 chain 1 spaces. To make this triangle even bigger, we're just going to repeat round 4 over and over again to its desired length. And I'll leave a timestamp for the beginning of round number 4 to make it easier. Always remember, the corners will be 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. And in between your clusters on the side, you're always just going to place 3 double crochets. I'll repeat that one more time for you. Corners, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet on all corners. And on your side, place 3 double crochets into each space on your sides. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you check out my other ones, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye guys.